So since November, we went a little bit quiet, not because that we didn't have plenty of deals, but because we're busy filling up. Some of you would know I do student accommodation by myself and with some of my partners. And as you know, between November and all the way to right about this time, it's the busiest for student accommodation. Some of you would know that because you know that the intake for students is now. But I did not forget you. I want to say that we are back, and it is Wednesday deal day. There's plenty of deals that we need to speak about. And my good friends, this year we are doing things slightly different. I think what we are building, if you've been here last year and the years before, and you've been following what's been happening, you know that we bring deals, but we are creating what we call a deal flow ecosystem, right? And you want to be in it. If we are meeting for the first time, my name is TJ, your host, and I'm a former banker and founder here at the TJ Tribe. And I do business with a focus in student accommodation, flips, which is buy and sell, and coaching, with the hope that all of us, as young, upcoming modern parents, we can be able to have passive income from real estate. Welcome to the channel. We've got this platform that we have created, which is called investinsaproperty.co.za. You see it coming down at the bottom, and that's the place where you need to see. I will come here and I'll share some deals, but there's plenty of good deals that come in there behind the scenes. Some don't even go public. And my good friends, I always say to people, we are not about YouTube comments. Hey, it looks nice. Instagram comments. Hey, it looks nice. I want in. Yeah, we don't do that. Here, we are very much defined in what we do. We go to a platform, you jump onto the platform. We give you very few information of the deal here. And our aim is that you can be able to see the entire deal on what we call a deal pack. And the deal pack is available for those of you that are keen on whatever property that we're going to be talking about. So I want to say to you, the deals that we are bringing across, they are not just nice deals. In my view, these are some life-changing. If you do understand property and if you do understand them, they are in their own right. But let's jump on and actually speak about a couple of deals that we've got today. I don't have one deal. I've got 4 deals to share with you. I just cherry-picked to see which ones was cool and for you. And I decided, yeah, let's start with it. So we're going to go ahead with deal number 1. Let's go. Drum roll. Yeah. Deal number 1, my good friend, you are buying at 1.6 million and you can be able to convert this property. Actually, I do have a team that's readily available to help you out. And you convert it into a 15-bedroom student accommodation. Now, it's simple. It can be done. But what this deal is going to do is going to put 15,000 Rand in your pocket every single month. Not turnover, not potential, money in your pocket. 15,000 Rand. Right. Now, for some people, this is like giving yourself like a second salary, without even to ask your boss at work. But here's the real thing that I want us to speak to. You might be saying, 15 rooms, how do I achieve that? Well, it's because maybe you're not exposed to this kind of thing and you don't know. Here at the tribe, we aim to teach, but we also aim to give you some good deals. So it might sound like a lot of admin, but we've got also partners that can help you with the management. So don't be scared like, 15. Here we go with deal number 2. Deal number 2, I think this is for somebody who is chasing a higher return on investments on their cash. And It's for that somebody who's saying, I want my money to work harder than I do. You are literally buying a small block of flats, and it's got two shops at the bottom and 2 units at the top. And so you got multiple tenants, right? Which is good. Diversification. This one here, it is going for 1.6 million. Yeah. And above that, is giving you a return of 28% on your money, return on your cash, right? So let me translate that. If your money is potentially sitting in a bank account at the moment, just double check how much you're getting. You might actually be thinking that your money is sleeping. On 28%, my good friend, the money is doing of the time, in my view. That's what it thinks. The beauty of it is obviously you are getting not income from one person, but it's basically four different tenants that you can get from the shops. They pay, the tenants, they pay, you win. That's what it's all about. So from 50 to another 50 to another 50, and bingo, who knows, your own portfolio starts to print money. Yeah, that's what it's all about here at the TJ Tribe. Let me go on to deal number 4. Let me go to my notes here and see what it says. Deal number 4. So deal number 4, it is in Gauteng, yeah, in the area of East Rand, and this is deal number 4. It is, I think this is a simple but powerful deal, right? At 1.6 million in East Rand, it presents itself with multiple cottages on the property, and you can get your returns of around about 26% cash on cash on this one here. So the trick on here is that you're buying right, the structure is right, and obviously the management needs to be right, and our good friends at Productive Realty will be able to manage that property for you. Well, the problem is that many people, actually most people, they buy emotionally. But if you're buying on this one here, you're just buying it strategically well. So I'm inviting you, my good friends, to say that this is a deal that you can, one of the four of the deals that I decided, let me bring through here, but you can come through to invest in SA property.coza, and you can. So deal number 4, it is in Gauteng, yeah, in the area of East Rand, and this is deal number 4. It is, I think this is a simple but powerful deal, right? At 1.6 million in East Rand, it presents itself with multiple cottages on the property, and you can get your returns of around about 26% cash on cash on this one here. So the trick on here is that you're buying right, the structure is right, and obviously the management needs to be right, and our good friends at Productive Realty will be able to manage that property for you. Well, the problem is that many people, actually most people, they buy emotionally. But if you're buying on this one here, you're just buying it strategically well. So I'm inviting you, my good friends, to say that this is a deal that you can, one of the four of the deals that I decided, let me bring through here, but you can come through to invest in SA property.coza, and you can jump in there, register, like I'm saying register. So which basically means that you don't go there to shop. You register first, and then you get access thereafter, and then you can start to see some deals that are flowing through. So let me say this, right? This might be challenging. So many people will say, in South Africa, you can't find deals like these ones, but I've just brought you 4 in one go. Yeah, my good friends. And many people, I think that they struggle with opportunities, like, or even struggle with income. But I don't think that we should be struggling with that. I think we lack exposure, right? There's nobody showing you deals like these ones. I've just shown you an amazing 4 deals that we can get to. So, anyways, what do they do if they lack exposure? And I'm hoping that you're not one of them. They save, which is great. At least you're saving for a rainy day, but you can't save forever, or you can't save yourself to be rich. Or they buy cars. Seen people just buying cars, or they upgrade their lifestyle, but never building assets. Here, my good friends, I am sharing with you that you can be able to buy some goods assets. So if you are serious, if you're one of those people, I'm like, hey, TJ, this year I want to get into these deals and I want to close them. Go and register on our website. It's coming up on the screen, investinsaproperty.coza. And yes, my good friend, we will be able to get some good deals. And our hotline, yes, it is on the screen. You can be able to reach us there as well, and we can guide you. But more importantly, you need to register, and then we'll give you get access to what we call the deal pack. So there's a deal pack. So everything that you need to know, detail by detail, it is available on there. Until we meet each other again on the next video, it is I, your boy TJ, bringing you some hot deals on a Wednesday deal day. Yeah, boom.